Howdy do y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you already know, if you do, groovy, thanks for back, I appreciate you. Yep, we're in our spooky pinup pajamas today because, yeah, I was supposed to make this video a couple days ago after I made the last video, but, it don't matter because, tomorrow's hair washing day, so, yeah, this is going to go out on St. Patrick's Day anyway. I also did one last year for a dessert, which is how I make my key lime pie stuff. So today we're going to do a vegetarian version of good old cabbage and pretend sausage. I actually have the damn package out today so you can actually see that it's definitely pretend. We're doing a sheet pan meal. My nanny used to make this all the time, cabbage, and well, she made corned beef and cabbage. I ain't seen no pretend corned beef that's not $1 million, so we're not doing that. We're doing the sausage and the cabbage. So that's what we're gonna do. Is I've already washed this. I've already got my oven preheating, which needs to be at 400 degrees, and you also need to bake this sheet pan shit for 25-35 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. So and besides that, you're actually supposed to use sweet potatoes because this, I'm kind of using somebody else's recipe. If y'all watch Applesauce and ADHD, I fucking love her. But she uses sweet potatoes. I don't have any sweet potatoes. They were supposed to give me sweet potatoes, but they gave me 2 things of butternut squash instead, which I like squash anyway. I like both, so we're gonna do that instead. So that's frozen. You also need some butter and olive oil, salt, and pepper, and I'm also going to be using the knockoff Miss Dash. So let's get started and start cutting our cabbage up. And it sounds like our oven is preheated too. I probably need a better knife. What do y'all think? Maybe not. I got it. This is a small head of cabbage. It'll be just fine. And what we're going to do with this cabbage is we're going to cut it into wedges. Voila. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. Maybe I do need a different knife. Alright, we got this. Just, you know, something like that, I guess. It's all good. All good. I'll probably cut that in half, actually. Oh, let go. And y'all see I about stabbed my damn hand? And that would have been real fun. It would turn into a horror movie real quick, huh? I'm not gonna use it. I did already take the top part, or the outer layer of leaves, but I can't stand when I'm trying to cut something and shit's dangling in front of me. So just gonna move it out of the way. Already got it sprayed and fulled. See how we can start rearranging this right here. I guess you could chunk it up actually. We're gonna try it. How she does it. And another important thing is she said it needs to be, obviously if you have made sheet pan dinners before, you need everything to actually touch the bottom of the pan so that it will cook. So that's what we're gonna do also. This is the worst job I've ever done in my life, but you know what, it's fine. Probably would have been better if I just chunked it up. Honestly. Honestly, that's probably about all the cabbage I'm going to use, so, because my pan is filling up, which y'all can actually see. Y'all don't need to look at my face all the time. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna take our sausage out, which this is the regular, y'all know when I make the sausage tortellini soup, I use the Italian. This is just regular. It's not spicy or anything because I'm going to add spices to it. So, right, now that our sausage is cut up like so, we're going to also lay that in the pan. And it can pretty much go wherever. It's important that the vegetables are, which it should be okay with the frozen, so, because it's technically already cooked, so that should be good. This is not, I wanted to make this before St. Patrick's Day because I didn't want my cabbage to go bad, so that's why I'm filming it beforehand, and I'm not dressed up in a cute little Frankenstein outfit or something that's green. So sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna do the last two. Wash your hands. Alright, now that's what she's gonna look like. Gotta burn that squash. Now we're going to take our olive oil and drizzle it over like so. Take a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and our Mrs. Dash. And now with our hands that we're going to wash again, I'm going to leave the water running because I'm going to have to rinse my hands off after this, so when you're done with that, we're going to take some butter and put it on top of the parts of the cabbage. She said to do it because it's good, so fuck it, let's do it. Alright, now we're going to put it in the oven, which is preheated. And it is ready to go. It's 400 degrees, so we're going to pop this bitch in the oven and we're going to wait 25-35 minutes. So see y'all in a little bit. It's 5 o'clock and it's not quite done yet, but I need to add some Parmesan cheese. Probably shredded would be better, but hey, this is what I got, so. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see. Ooh, melt my laptop. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Now I'm going to pop it back in the oven for probably like 10 10 more minutes. I don't know, until it's done. I'll let you know. You may be tempted to have a peanut butter heart while you wait, too. And pretend Reese's peanut butter heart. Yes, it's actually made with cocoa because I'm allergic to chocolate, fun fact. Alright, y'all, it's finally done. I've let it cool off for a few minutes. And this is how it looks. Ooh, probably about the same from what y'all just saw. So now we're going to try it. Alright, we're going to get us a, just like she does, get us a little bit of everything on our fork. Ooh, that cabbage. Okay, get us some pretend sausage and get us, well, I squashed the squash, but... Okay, let's try it. Sorry, y'all know I don't like mouth sounds and chewing sounds, so thought I would spare you guys too. I always make sure I do that. This is really good. I would definitely add the butter because she's right, it does make it, the cabbage, very moist and delicious, so that is that. So yeah, should definitely make this. And if you're not a vegetarian or vegan, if you're vegan, just don't put Parmesan cheese on it. If you're not a vegetarian, use real sausage. So, but yeah, I have to try this with sweet potatoes for sure. It's very good. So yeah, y'all definitely make this. I think this is really good for St. Patrick's Day because it's got the cabbage. Ain't got no corned beef, but it's close enough. Because usually my nanny would make the cabbage, or she would boil corned beef, cabbage, and carrots. So, and it was very delicious. And this is about as close as I'm gonna get. And I didn't have carrots, but I was trying to do her recipe also. But yeah, it's really good with the squash too. But I love squash, so I think it's very delicious. So yeah, let me know if y'all try this or if you've had anything like this before. And yeah, I hope y'all have a good St. Patrick's Day. And of course, as always, don't forget to keep it rocking.